I know deep up my feelings for you.
Welcome back to Reality Latest Gist, my good people. Welcome back to your #1 channel for reality news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our green country wey be Nigeria. So, and just like we normally do, we don't come with breaking news. We don't come with reality latest. We don't come with reports wey e dey compulsory say the general public go know about am. And the cocoa now be say the Edo State Governor Monday Okpebholo on Thursday wey be the 27th day of February for this year 2025, he don come outside come drop one interesting announcement, and he dey announce the restoration of 100 million naira monthly subvention to Edo State University Iyamo. And this one, my good people, no be play. This is not a drill. Reports dey ground already say Governor Monday Okpebholo of Edo State don carry im mouth talk am. Say the monthly subvention was earlier withdrawn by the immediate past administration of Godwin Obaseki. And the Governor Monday Okpebholo, he now dey drop this good news, he now dey drop this lamba, this update for the 6th convocation ceremony of the institution located at the country home of Adams Oshomole for inside SH0CKING West local government area of Edo State, Benin City. Now there the governor will be represented by Washington Osifo, the Commissioner for Energy and Water Resources, consider yarn they give the general public, say the government they willing to increase the subvention in the nearest future. And according to him, the 100 million naira monthly subvention was initially withdrawn by the past administration of Mr. Godwin Obaseki, but he now don't restore them so that Edo State people go get joy. And for those countrymen who dey for inside Edo State, we never still get the informate, we no forget, for inside the month of December, for the year 2024 precisely, in increased the monthly subvention to Ambrose Ali University, maybe AAU, Ekpoma, from 40 million naira to 500 million naira allocated to it by the Godwin Obaseki's administration. Him, however, constantly congratulates the management of the institution for keeping the vision of the university and the parents for believing in the capacity of the lecturers in mentoring their wards academically. Then he will be the governor constantly assure the institution of Edo State government their commitment to make sure say better education na go last come for the people of Edo State. He now they assure the institution say they go do the needful to make sure say Edo State people na only good education na they go they receive for inside Edo State. And no be lie, before now, the acting vice chancellor, man wey dey go by the name Professor Dawood Egbefo, he be come outside here and say 570 students now graduate across the institution's various disciples. And last, the professor could drop the breakdown of the graduates them, and that they include 14 first class honors plus 145 second class honors, that is upper division, plus 190 second class honors from lower division, plus 35 third class honors, plus 140 postgraduates, including 20 PhD recipients them. 46 of them now medical and surgery graduates. So while congratulating the men who graduate, he can urge them to carry forward the values of excellence, integrity, and innovation where the Edo State University Iyamo don plaster for inside their body. According to how talk they come aside from the professor mouth, he said this no be the end of their journey at all. Matter of fact, this now the beginning of a new chapter. And this their new chapter is filled with endless possibilities. So may them embrace challenges with confidence, may they no fear at all. May them continue to learn and may them continue to grow. And above all, may them remain committed to making a positive impact in the world. May them continue to grow. And above all, may them remain committed to making a positive impact, not just for their university, not just for their state, but the whole world at large. The future now belongs to those who dare to dream. It belongs to those who dare to innovate, and it belongs to those who dare to work tirelessly to achieve their goals. These my good people, they come from Professor Dawood Egbefo. Meanwhile, in another news, the NEPL/CEPLAT on Thursday, maybe the 27th day of February for the same year 2025, they now don't empower 327 teachers and chief inspectors of education in their host communities of Delta and Edo State. Them now they yarn say these levels now na part of their unwavering commitment to upskilling educators and enhancing the quality of education. Then speaking at Seplat JV Education Summit and STEP graduation ceremony wey dem theme transforming the education workforce, a critical success factor for nation building for inside Benin City, Edo State. Seplat Energy Director of Public Affairs and Social Performance wey be Chioma Afe come dey emphasize, come dey talk about the importance of capacity building for teachers and education leaders. She now come dey yarn through initiatives like STEP, dem now dey equip educators with the necessary tools, the necessary skills and innovative teaching methodologies to foster a more engaging and impactful learning environment. And their commitment to teacher empowerment dey extend beyond training. It is about creating a ripple effect wey go transform classrooms. To date, the Seplat JV don train 1,334 teachers across their host states, integrating STEAM education and technology-driven learning approaches wey go directly impact over 100,000 students annually. So dis my good people na the informate wey I wan share give the general public. After every, the Edo State Commissioner for Education wey be Dr. Emmanuel Iyamo, he na come dey give accolade to all teachers. He na come dey yarn dey give them say their contributions are very much invaluable. They are doing the good work and their dedication dey strengthen their collective resolve to build a brighter future through education. So as a teacher wey you be for inside Edo State, e go good make you get am for your mind say men dey out there wey dey appreciate una work, men dey out there wey dey give thanks for una. If no be for teachers, many men for inside we nation Nigeria for no dey educated. So no matter the matter, e go good make person beat im chest, make person dey proud of im job. Dis my good people na the informate wey I wan share give the general public. Now anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know say na we be reality latest gist. Na we dey like give una reality news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green country wey be Nigeria. So if you like this informate and you go like to dey receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news dey come your way, na you go first receive the update and you go even get am sharp. And abeg try make you dey share the news give your family and friends, make them too dey know wetin dey happen for this side, this our great nation Nigeria. Make dey come your screen with another news, make dey come your screen with more updates, make dey come back again with another reality news for you my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.